Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. In this video, we're going to teach you how to get coins or any cheats. Technically, we're going to call them cheats on Blooket. So, what is Blooket? Blooket is a platform that's for students and teachers to work around. It's going to be level up classroom engagement. It's for just like having activities within the work from home or online classes setup. Okay, so this is going to be Blooket. Let me just log in real quickly here. I think have my Google account still here. Perfect. So that being said, this is Blooket. So when you see market, you have a default 25 coins, and this is going to be 50 coins for different ones, okay? So I'm going to teach you a workaround here, or we're going to call them cheats. So once on your new tab, just search in GitHub. This one right here. This should be the landing page of GitHub. Once you're in GitHub, just type in Blooket right here. Type in Blooket, okay? You have exceeded the secondary rate limit. Please wait a few minutes for a try again. In some cases, you may take up an hour. So that being said, GitHub is currently down right now. Let me just get back here. And as you can see, I already have that cheat code right here or JavaScript. I'm just going right there again. Type in Blooket. And perfect. So for now, let me just delete this one so you can follow through. So you can see there are a lot of results here. There are really a lot. So from here now, I just want you to click on the very top one, okay? Very top result, click on it. And then from here now, these are the code. These are the hacks that we want to do. So just try it, anyone here, try global. And from global, just type in or press add token. Okay, don't be scared. You may see codes here. You may see a lot of codes, but do not be scared. Do not, I got you. Don't be nervous, okay? So just copy everything. Don't do anything yet, just copy. Next one's gonna be this little star right here. Click bookmark and click more right there. And of course, this URL right here. I want you to delete that one. So please pay close attention. This is a very important one. Type in JavaScript, okay? Colon. Do not add a space. I don't want you adding a space right there. And from here now, Control V or click on paste. Click on save. We have that bookmark right there. Now let's go back to Blooket. Just reload it just to be sure. And here you go. Just click on this tab right here and you're gonna ask you how many gold coins you want. You're gonna have Blooket. You can use this on your school computer or any school or any computer you have or laptop, Mac. Okay? Even the school protected computers, you can use this one. You know, the ISP protected ones or IP address protected school computers, you can use this one, okay? So that being said, I hope you enjoyed the video. Please hit the like button, subscribe. Have a safe one, guys.